Hey guys, so I had a question about how much my squat rack, power rack, whatever kind of rack you want to call this thing, how much it cost, how long did it take to build, and how much weight will it hold, okay? Now, all very, very good questions, but a little tricky to answer, okay? First off, how long did it take to build? It's kind of been a work in progress, all right? Now that I have like the basic design down, I could actually pump one of these things out in realistically probably about 2 to 3 hours, okay? Overall, it didn't take that long to build initially because it's a very, very simple design, okay? If you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, let me show you. All right, it is basically a squat rack, power rack, whatever you want to call this thing. All right, it's got a base right there. Comes up, a little safety bar for bench press right here. So if you ever drop the weight, it lands right down on top of here. All right, this is typically where I rack it, and then come down if I get stuck, so that way I don't need a spotter. And then up here, this is actually where you would do your squats from. Okay, so basically this is just a 4x4 post, comes straight up. All right, now you can buy a standard 8-foot 4x4 post, chop the thing in half, or better yet, get like a 10-footer, chop that thing in half, and you could probably get that for like maybe $20 brand new. Okay. Now the cost for this, mine specifically, is kind of tricky because again, this is all scrap wood that I made this out of. Okay, I had this stuff literally lying around the shop. I'm a carpenter and I'm a woodworker, so I mean it's not all that difficult for me to find some stuff laying around. And I did a modification on it a couple years ago, actually probably about a year ago now, and where I connected basically this portion here to the other one right on top. Okay, basically I just ran some 2x4s up around here and just linked everything together. Also tied the bottom section together with what's that, 2x10, and yeah, 2x10 down here. Made little modifications so I could do like T-bar rows, and just put some weights and just other heavy shit on it, just so it's not like moving around if I happen to bump it or get a little violent from doing some squats or whatever. Now, as far as the question, how much will it hold? The most amount of weight that I've worked with it on here has been 300 pounds. The reason for that is because the barbell set that I bought only goes to 300 pounds, and I just haven't purchased any more. So that's really the working load that I've worked with. Now, depending on how you build yours, the quality of wood, the quality of fasteners, and the quality of adhesives is really going to make a determination on how much this thing will actually hold. All right, as an example, right here, all right, this has been screwed 3 or 4 times on this piece and then twice on this one, and to the 4x4 post. Okay, I use some very high quality, expensive screws to put those in. I think they're probably 3.5-inch screws that I used, and I also used a liquid nail. Okay, so that thing is super, super strong. It's not going to go anywhere. On this part, on the safety racking, all right, I put on some mending plates, some joist hangers, and I used some good high quality lumber, again, just stuff I had lying around. But again, your results may vary depending on how well you build this thing. If you build it with crappy materials, it's not going to hold up real well. All right, so make sure you know what you're doing and put this thing together properly. All right, you don't want to do something stupid and hurt yourself just because you want to save a couple of bucks. Okay, this is an investment in time and potentially a good investment of money. Okay, because a lot of you guys might not have the tools and equipment and frankly the know-how to make something like this. Okay. So if you don't feel comfortable in your ability to throw something like this together, don't do it. Okay, buy one that's store made, or talk to your buddy that knows how to weld. He's a real good metal worker, or talk to a carpenter buddy, and they could probably help you out building one of these things. Okay, yeah. Anyway, a lot of guys really like this design. Other guys say, oh, well, this will never hold enough weight. But again, I've had 300 pounds sitting on these brackets right here, just doing rack pulls, okay, and no issue whatsoever. But again, I've built stuff like this for a long time. I've got years of experience on how to do this stuff, and basically, if I can't, park a Humvee on top of it, I'm not going to build it, okay. So, anyway, dude, I hope that answers your question. Anyway, questions, comments, concerns, complaints, whines, bitches, moans, and groans. Leave them below down in the comments section. Thanks for watching.